Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you how to build a metal body LED light. Here you can see that there is two pieces of metal body. To operate this light, I am using mobile battery. Here you can see that. There is on off switch button. Now let's assemble these parts. So friend, light has been ready to use. Here you can see that. There is charging port and there is two pieces of metal body. I use metal body because of light is too much heat. Metal body used as a heat sink. Here you can see that. Here you can see the power of this light. There is type C charging port. There is on off switch button. Friend, if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and also press bell icon. So that's all about from this project. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.